Hey, Watson's Barbecue. Welcome back, everybody. Hey, we're going to do something different today. I've never made it before. Called Texas Twinkies. Stuffed jalapenos wrapped in bacon. So what I did is I went ahead and I mixed up half a sour cream, half a brick of sour cream. I put in about a half cup or so of sharp cheddar cheese. Threw some of my barbecue rub on there. Mixed everything together, and then we're going to go ahead and stuff them. Now I seen on a different YouTube channel where the guy takes them, he slices them down about halfway through, comes back the other way, and he opens them up. Okay, I've never done this before, so I guess we'll see what happens. When that happens, you got to kind of open it up and scrape out the seeds on the inside. Okay, and per se, then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do these up, I'm going to run them on the smoker, just the jalapenos for about a half hour at about 200 degrees. That should soften them up enough to get them stuffed easier. This way we'll have to take them and we'll have the full effect of the jalapeno after it's stuffed, and everything does not run out that way. But we'll try it, give it a shot. If not, then I guess we'll change our tactics next time. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Well, welcome back, everybody. Well, we just took them off the smoker. Okay, we gotta stuff them yet. They turned out pretty good. So there they are, folks. Just took them off the smoker. And we ran, it must have been 40 minutes. I ran them at 350, simply because I was getting hungry. Let's see how we did here. Got the cheese that did ooze out on them a little bit, but hey, let's give it a shot. Wow. Holy smokes. Those are tasty. Those are really good. Awesome, awesome. First time I made the Texas Twinkies, and I tell you what, they turned out really, really well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.